Hello guys, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to create a YouTube thumbnail step by step. Alright, before starting you have to select your sizes. I normally use pixels. And YouTube thumbnail, if you don't know the size of a YouTube thumbnail, you can just type that into your Google search or your browser and they will show you the size. In pixels it is 1280 by 720, so you have to type this 1280 and 720. Alright, don't forget your resolution as 300. Click on create. Okay, now we have our background. Our size is perfectly, so I'll click on zoom. I want the size to be fit into the screen, so I'll click on zoom to, click here, fit screen. I want it to fit the screen so I'll easily see my work. Okay, click on move to, go to file, place embedded. We want to place our picture, the picture we'll be working on. Okay, I downloaded this picture from Google, so you can easily use any picture of your choice. Alright, we have to drag to fit the size of the YouTube thumbnail. You have to drag to fit to the size. Alright, and if you want to, this is the picture we are going to work on, so to prevent it from moving in case of any accident, we just have to lock this picture to prevent it from moving. Control Z to return back to right position, and you click on it like this, and you check in the layer section, click on this lock button. It will automatically lock to prevent it from moving. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is create a rectangle where we're going to provide our informations. Rectangle, as you can see, like that. The rectangle has been created. Choose color, go to fill. I would like to use this color or this. I will choose this color. Okay, we don't want the stroke, we have to remove it. Yep, and go to move to, close this. We have the picture right here. Now we want to create a blur, like a blur on the side of this triangle. Since you can see the triangle has been selected, so we have to just go to filter, click on blur, Gaussian blur, select Gaussian blur. Okay, click convert to smart object. You can see some blurriness on the side of this rectangle. Okay, drag this ratio so you can see the changes. I hope you can see. Yeah, so I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Click on OK so you can see. So to prevent this rectangle from moving, you have to do the same thing we did to the background picture. Click on lock on inside the layer section. Click on lock to prevent it from moving as well. Alright, and again we will still use the rectangle tool. Yeah, click here, click on rectangle tool. Okay, we will make a simple rectangle here. Alright, yeah, In this time around, we are not going to use the color fill. We will only use the stroke. Okay, so as you can see, the fill is already no color. It's closed. So we select the stroke and we choose color for the stroke. I think I will choose this color. And the size of the stroke also, you can easily do it from here, or just type in the type section. I will choose 5 pixel, press enter. Alright, move to, and you can see, right, it is here. I'm placing it right into the center. Okay, then we type in text tool, we type in Photoshop. Okay, caps lock. If you want to type in capital letters, your caps lock has to be on. Alright, Control A to highlight. You want to change the text style. Alright, we'll be choosing Franklin Gothic. Okay, we will choose this one, Franklin Gothic. Alright, I will show you guys how to download fonts, different type of fonts into the Photoshop in future. Yeah, so we will select this sizes regular. I don't want, you see it is italic, I don't want it italic, I want it to be in a regular form, as you can see. So what changes? I will change the size to 24, no, to 18. I think this is okay. I will change the color. I want to choose this color, the color of the rectangle, stroke rectangle. Yeah, I can easily select here to be red, but I want this color. What do? You can easily click on the color, so it will reflect on the text. I hope you can see, right? Click on yes, and don't forget, always use move tool anytime you want to move your text. It still cannot fit inside this box, this rectangle, so we have to reduce the size as well. Click on text tool, click, highlight, and choose the size again to 16. I think 16 is okay. I'm dragging it into the center. Yeah, I think this is okay. This blue color, it's okay, or we have to little light color. Let me try that and see. Yeah, I think I like this color. Yes, I like this color. Alright, so I want to change the color of this triangle. I will just click on it, select, go to this option, select rectangle, and I want to do the changes. Yeah, color stroke, and I'll select this color. Okay, then boom, I hope you can see. We go to the text tool and learn. Let's learn. Okay, let's learn Photoshop. Same text style is okay. The size, I will change it to 12. The color, I want white color. Okay, click create. Okay, move to, and I will drag this on top here. Right, very good. Let's learn Photoshop. Let's learn Photoshop. Let's learn Photoshop. Yeah, so you click on your text tool. I want to bring part 1, like lesson no lesson 1. Lesson 1. Yeah, I want it to be smaller, size to 8. Okay, let's learn Photoshop lesson 1. Okay, I think this is what we will be learning today, and I would like to import um, social media application like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. So easily, before we learned how to, in my previous video we learned how to import a picture. So easily you go to file, click on place embedded. I have mine apps here. Facebook, replace Facebook and Instagram. Facebook, there's the Facebook. Alright, I have it here, Facebook. So you choose the size. You can easily minimize the size, like click and dragging, or you can go to the size button at top, highlight and choose your size. Okay, you can place it on the bottom top here, or you can easily put it down here. Okay, now I want to change the color of this button. I want to change the color of the Facebook app. What we have to do is use select. Make sure your tool is on the move tool, and you select. You go to color overlay. Choose color overlay. Go to color, this button, and choose your color. You can see there's a change over there. I want white color, so you can see. Click on OK and OK. You see I have done changes to this app, the Facebook app. Okay, I want to import Instagram. Place embedded. Oh yeah, Instagram. Instagram. Yeah, I have this one. I'll be using that. Place. Alright. On my size to be 2. Okay. And I'll easily click and drag it to my right position here. The size is still bigger. I want the size to be equal as the Facebook. I'll click on it and click on the size button like that. I'll easily release it and go to the top. I'll make it 1.5. Yeah, I think the size is now okay. I want to change the color. Go to this button, FX, color overlay, and white. I already have white as my primary color, that's why it's automatically appearing. Okay, now I want to select both of these icons. I'll just click and drag and select all of them, so I can easily move these two icons. Okay, I hope you can see. This is it, yeah. I want it to be on top here. Yeah, like that. Okay. If you want to move this icon, if you want to move it without using the mouse, you can also use the arrow keys on the keyboard by just moving them little by little. and to type in at okay. First highlight. Want to change the size. 6 now. Now. Yep. I think this is okay for today, and that's it for today. Don't forget to save before closing the window. Save us. Sorry, we did a mistake. Today's lesson is lesson 2, so we have to do the changes to this. It's lesson 2. Yeah. Go to file, save as, desktop. Yeah, you choose your folder. I'll create a folder. Lesson 2. Okay, lesson 2. Save. Now it's been saved as Photoshop app or Photoshop software, so you can also save it as in a picture form. Export. Quick export as PNG. Okay, so you can see it's been saved as PNG and click on save. We are done for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.